Good morning and welcome to Manufacturing Day 2023. Thank you for joining us. I'm Brian Krause and I'm with the Missouri Chamber of Commerce and Industry. We're excited to host Manufacturing Day 2023 in virtual to zoom across the state of Missouri, letting in manufacturers so they can showcase the best of what they make and produce each day. Schools from around the state are going to join us. We expect over 7,000 students today that will zoom in and out and see all the depth that we have in the state's manufacturing sector. You know, manufacturing is something that used to be thought of as dark, dirty, and dangerous, and that is no longer the case. It is clean, high-tech, high-skilled, and very good as far as pay and types of career opportunities that are available. In fact, for every manufacturer in the state of Missouri, there's about 7 other employees behind them that work in sales, marketing, accounting, and so many other different career pathways. Today, you're going to get a chance to go right inside some of the best that we have in Missouri. So, for today, this would not be possible without our partners. The Missouri Chamber Manufacturing Alliance, the Missouri Department of Elementary and Secondary Education, the Manufacturing Institute, who leads Manufacturing Day nationwide, and Missouri Enterprise. Thank you. Without their partnership, this wouldn't be possible. As well as our sponsors. Our gold sponsor, the Chamber Benefit Plan, Toyota Motor Manufacturing Missouri. Our silver sponsors, General Mills, Nike Air Manufacturing Innovation, and Hitachi Energy. And our supporting sponsors, the Regional Business Council of St. Louis and the Boeing Center at the Olin School, Wash U. Thank you to our sponsors. Now, throughout the day, you're going to see inside all kinds of different manufacturers. And we are supported at the Missouri Chamber by not only our members, but the staff, the local chambers. There's over 190 local chambers that are part of our Missouri Chamber Federation that also help support manufacturing locally wherever you live. Now, I'd like to turn it over to my boss and the president and CEO of the Missouri Chamber of Commerce, Mr. Dan Meehan. Dan is coming to us virtually. He's actually over in the UK on a trade mission. Dan?
Thanks, Brian. My name is Dan Meehan, and I'm the president and CEO of the Missouri Chamber of Commerce and Industry. I'd like to welcome all of you to our annual Manufacturing Day celebration. Thousands of students, educators, and manufacturing professionals from all across the state of Missouri are joining us today, and we're excited to give you an inside look at the manufacturing in your community. Manufacturing is vibrant and growing, especially here in Missouri. Since the start of the COVID-19 pandemic, manufacturing employment has grown nearly 6% in Missouri. That's much higher than the national average. That also means there are tons of opportunities for students like you. Some of the world's most advanced companies are located right here in Missouri, such as Nestle Purina, Terramac, and Hitachi Energy. A few facts to start you off with. Over the next 10 years, we expect to need nearly 5 million new manufacturing professionals in the United States. The average production professional in Missouri earns over $64,000 a year. But the biggest thing to understand about manufacturing is that today's manufacturing jobs are high-tech and very innovative. You'll see this for yourself in a few minutes as we fly around the state and show you these opportunities. The manufacturing sector needs the next generation, people like you, to help us go even farther. So I hope you're impressed with what you see today. Please listen to all you can about the opportunities that manufacturing offers. Thanks again for joining us. I'd now like to introduce someone who's been a huge supporter of Manufacturing Day to help kick things off. The 57th governor of the state of Missouri, Governor Mike Parson.
Hi, I'm Governor Mike Parson. I'm glad to see we have thousands of Missouri students with us again this year for Manufacturing Day in Missouri. Thank you to the Missouri Chamber Manufacturing Alliance for hosting the program today. Now is the time to be thinking about work you will do when you get out of school. Do you want to design airplanes? Do you want to create the next cool pair of Nike shoes? Do you want to make cars? Today, you will get an inside look into these career opportunities and more. No matter where you live, there are great opportunities for people like you to make a career and earn a good salary working in manufacturing. Currently, we have more than 6,500 factories in our state, employing more than 270,000 Missourians. And those numbers are on the rise. From Boeing to Nike, General Mills to Toyota, you have the opportunity to be part of the latest advances in manufacturing right here in the Show Me State. As governor, I will continue working to make sure Missouri is a place where the manufacturing sector has everything it needs to be successful so it can continue creating jobs. A career in manufacturing can help you earn money, but it can also help you improve people's lives. So thank you for taking the time to learn more about it. Thank you as well for our industry leaders. With that, let's get the program started. Thank you all, and have a great manufacturing day. And as always, it is an honor and privilege to be the 57th governor of the great state of Missouri.
Go ahead. Thank you, Dan, and thank you, Governor Parson, for coming in to Manufacturing Day 2023. It's always a pleasure to have you both supporting us and really supporting the manufacturing base of Missouri. As Governor Parson said, some of the key priorities that he has had in his term has been infrastructure and workforce development. Those go hand in hand, and there's not one manufacturer around the state of Missouri that doesn't think about the infrastructure they need to be productive and prosperous, and the talent that actually drives that productivity and prosperity. Now, it's my pleasure to zoom in down to Rolla, Missouri, where we're going to zoom into Dusty Cruz, the president and CEO of Missouri Enterprise. And as we do that, it's great to see so many schools: Nixa High School, Clearwater High School, Dora High School, Fort Zumwalt North Middle School. Welcome. And there's so many more joining us right now as we speak. Dusty, thank you so much for joining us from Rolla, Missouri for Manufacturing Day 2023.
Good morning. I want to welcome you to Manufacturing Day 2023. As you know, Manufacturing Day is generally celebrated the first Friday of every October and has done so since 2012. We celebrate it by opening our doors to showcase the potential of today's modern manufacturing environment. Today, you'll see several different products made here in Missouri. You'll see how they're made and the creative minds and skills taken to make it happen. If this is the first time that you participate in Manufacturing Day, you'll be amazed at how technology has made it possible to produce the goods in a clean and safe environment. Hi, I'm Dusty Cruz. I'm the CEO of Missouri Enterprise. Last month, we here at Missouri Enterprise celebrated our 40th anniversary. For 4 decades, Missouri Enterprise has been a driving force behind manufacturing growth and innovation across the state of Missouri. Through partnerships, we've worked hand in hand with manufacturers to usher in industry advances that have not only transformed businesses, but has also enriched the economic fabric of our communities. For that opportunity, we're very grateful. Well, let's talk about today. Missouri Chamber has lined up several companies providing you an excellent glimpse of what manufacturing is today. You'll see materials, machines, methods, and processes that in many cases transform raw material into finished goods. It's what America does, and as you will witness firsthand, does it very well. We should all be very proud. Now, no doubt you've heard the term Industry 4.0, where we're all experiencing the fourth industrial revolution. Well, if not, it's the integration of 9 technologies. It's the Internet of Things. It's using big data, cloud computing, virtual reality, cobots, robots, additive manufacturing, simulation, integrating systems, and certainly cybersecurity. Well, the next generation, your generation, it's Industry 5.0. It's the 5th industrial revolution. It's ready for you. The 5th industrial revolution is where we need you to help. Your help to add human, environmental, and social aspects into the equation of robots and smart machines. people working alongside robots and smart machines. Now, how exciting is that? I can tell you for sure, manufacturing is the place to be in today's workspace. There's something here for everyone. So here's my ask for you today. Place yourself in any one of these companies that you see today. Consider your heartfelt interests in life, and whatever it is, it can likely lead to a rewarding career in manufacturing. I hope you enjoy today. Dream big, and you'll be able to see there is an opportunity like never before in manufacturing. You know, in 3 short years, I will have been in manufacturing for 5 decades. That's a long time. And I can tell you for sure that I have never seen anything like it is today. I so much wish I was your age today. What an opportunity. So what's the true future of manufacturing? Well, it's limited only to your imagination. It's your future, and manufacturing needs you. Enjoy your day. Thank you.